Welcome back. To alleviate the fatigue in your legs, discover an incredible hidden vitamin that is likely already in your kitchen but is unknown to 99% of people over 60. This simple dietary ingredient not only improves blood circulation but also opens up clogged vessels, relieves fatigue, and restores strength to your legs. The most amazing part is that its effects are so remarkable that even doctors are astonished. Imagine when you find daily task difficult, climbing stairs leaves you breathless, your legs ache and you feel a strain. Most doctors simply reply, "This is normal at your age." But do you know that these are not signs of aging? Often it is a problem with blood flow. In today's video, I will tell you about a vitamin that is often overlooked. But it doesn't just improve your life, it cleanses your vessels, enhance blood flow, and once again strengthen your legs. Watch till the end because by the end of this video, I will share the specific foods that contain this vitamin and a simple morning routine that can increase the benefits of this vitamin by 43%. This information is based on new research from 2023 that many doctors are not yet aware of. So let's get into the complete detail of this vitamin. After the age of 60, what happens to the blood vessels within your body? You may think that leg fatigue is a sign of aging, but in reality, your body is signaling that something is not right. Numbness or heaviness in the feet and legs after standing for long periods, swelling around the knees and ankles that is often mistaken as a part of aging, these are signs of blood flow problem. After the age of 60, our blood vessels begin to narrow and harden. Small deposits start to form inside these tiny vessels, which slows blood flow, especially in the legs. This is not just uncomfortable but also dangerous. In a study conducted in 2021, it was noted that older adults with reduced blood flow to the legs had a 37% higher chance of falling and 42% reduction in walking ability, which diminished their quality of life. When blood flow decreases, oxygen and nutrients are not properly delivered to the muscles and skin. Muscles weaken, waste material and toxins begin to accumulate, inflammation and swelling increases, and pain in the legs and calves become a chronic signal of poor health. Many people over the age of 60 or 65 experience problems like difficulty walking, constant coldness in their feet, and swelling by evening so severe that wearing regular shoes become challenging. Often people try solutions like compression socks, elevating their legs, or expensive medications, but these only provide limited relief. Then came a day when research revealed that a specific B vitamin is extremely important for vascular health and often deficient in seniors, known as niacin or vitamin B3. This vitamin is mostly recognized for regulating cholesterol, but it directly improves vascular health and enhances blood circulation. Niacin not only increases blood flow but also repair damaged inside the veins, opening them so blood can flow smoothly. It reduces inflammation to help keep the veins flexible and strong. Most importantly, it prevents the formation of clots that can damage veins and block blood flow. Research also shows that niacin creates a protein called adiponectin that protects the walls of blood vessels from damage. When levels of this protein increase, blood flow to the legs and feet improves significantly. According to the Mayo Clinic, blood flow in individuals taking niacin increases by up to 27%, which is one of the first things to decline with age. Before taking any niacin supplement, it is crucial to understand that not all types of niacin are the same. Using the wrong type or excessive amounts can cause harm rather than benefits, such as redness on the face, body burning sensation, itching, or mild fever-like symptoms. Therefore, it is very important to take the right type and proper dosage of niacin. Most importantly, if you are on any medicine for blood pressure, cholesterol, or blood thinning, consult your doctor before starting niacin or any other supplement. Now the question arises, what foods naturally provide niacin? If you are age 60 or above and experience vein tightening, fatigue, swelling, or cold feet, niacin-rich foods can be beneficial for you. Some natural sources high in niacin include chicken, turkey, salmon, and tuna. Additionally, peanut butters, mushrooms, avocado, green peas, and brown rice are other niacin-rich options. However, despite the availability of these foods, many elderly individuals are unable to get the required amount of niacin their bodies need. This is because with the age, the body's ability to absorb and utilize nutrients declines. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that individuals over 65 need approximately 25% more niacin to experience its full benefits. This hidden deficiency is not commonly addressed by doctor or even known to most people. That's why including niacin-rich foods in your daily diet can yield astonishing results. Many individuals who incorporated niacin-rich foods into their meals noticed improvement within just a few weeks. They observed reduced swelling in their feet, a feeling of lightness in their legs, and where there was once pain or coldness in their feet, they now feel warmth and comfort. Their nervous system begins to function properly, sleep came more easily at night, and the painful cramps disrupting their sleeps were gone. This is not magic. These results occur when your body receives what it truly needs. Improved blood circulation leads to restored energy. Now let's talk about a small morning activity that can boost the benefit of niacin by up to 43%. According to University of Maryland, performing a simple 8-minute daily activity called progressive circulation activation significantly improves blood circulation. No difficult exercise, no expensive machines, just sit on the edge of your bed in the morning and perform some simple movements. Rotate your ankles in circles in both directions 10 times. Then straighten and flex your feet back and forth. Point and flex 10 times. This only takes a few minutes, but if combined with a niacin-rich diet, it delivers blood to every corner of your body, providing energy, warmth, and relaxation. Massage your calves with your hands upwards for 2 minutes, then stand up and massage while lifting your knees, continuing this exercise for another 2 minutes. Finally, lightly shake your legs and feet for 30 seconds. Do all this before breakfast when you are about to consume niacin-rich food. This simple exercise prepares your blood flow, helping niacin work even more effectively. Many elderly people who adopt this morning routine and incorporate niacin-rich foods notice a difference within just 2 weeks. Research has shown that niacin not only improves blood flow but also helps repair already damaged blood vessels. A 2022 study published in the Journal of Cardiovascular Pharmacology reveals that regular use of niacin not only reduces arterial stiffness but also improves the function of the endothelium, a critical part of your vascular system responsible for maintaining blood flow. When people incorporate niacin-rich foods and this small morning routine into their daily lives, they often noticed reduced leg swelling, increased walking strength, better skin tone in their feet, and diminished sensation of coldness and heaviness. In summary, tired, swollen, and restless legs are not just a sign of aging but a result of impaired blood flow. Niacin or vitamin B3 is a vital nutrient that plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood vessels and optimal blood circulation. Many individuals over the age of 60 suffer from niacin deficiency without realizing it. Chicken, fish, peanut, mushrooms, avocados, and similar foods are rich in niacin, and a simple morning activity can further maximize its benefits. Remember, heavy and fatigued legs are not your destiny. With the right knowledge and simple habits, you can improve your blood flow and live a fulfilling life. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to watch more. Have a nice day.